White's objective here is to make a living shape. So these two white stones are under Atari. If black is to play, as long as black occupies this point, then all of these are going to be fake ice, so white will die very easily. That means white must protect this point at f18. But if white connects here, then this is not enough ice space. This is going to be a straight 3 pattern, right? Because number 4, number 6, black will just try to reduce white's ice space, and this is not enough. So what white should do instead is to play here f19, here on the first line, right? Because this is a capture 2, recapture 1 situation, and f18 is still protected. And now white will be guaranteed 1 real eye on each side, right? Black cannot come in, right? Because white can just cut it off, and crawling here on the first line will just lead to its own death for black. So it doesn't make sense for black to play on the first line. The best black can do is to play number 6 here on the second line, number 8 here on the second line, and number 7 and 9 will take care of business and build 2 real eyes. So overall, pretty simple problem. As soon as you realize that connecting here will not work, you should consider this move on the first line, because it also protects this point by using this capture 2, recapture 1 technique. And this is the pattern that you should look out for in real games as well. Thank you for watching.